Hello everybody. Konnichiwa. Today I'm at Bangkok. I just arrived this morning. I'm going to explore this little mall here called Siam Square 1. So it's a bit funny because it's supposed to be first level, but they say it's a third level and there are many clinics here, man. I think the ladies will love it. It's a few 1999 baht. Fat Barbie. So because I'm from Singapore, so 25 Thai baht is like 1 Singapore dollars. So 1999 is close to 2,000, it's about $80. And this one also similar thing. But these are more expensive, more stuff. Free consultation. That's nice because in Singapore, most of the clinic they don't offer free consultation. You have to pay. Actually, I'm here to check out one dental clinic. I'm going to do a retainer. Like I grind my teeth at night, right? So I'm going to like find a clinic that does a retainer. I brought mine. Hey, this one got filler, Botox. So I think many students like to come here. Wow. And there's even a barber shop there. Wait, going up one level, I saw KFC and some Japanese restaurant. Otonka Kasuya, and even service available right here. Holy Maru, there's plenty of makan here. Oh, curry. And Thai food in front as well, and more like Thai people. 229 kimchi rice set. I know, I got this feeling this is old mall. So not many people come here once nowadays. It's just like our Far East Plaza, Lucky Plaza of Singapore. But maybe I think people come here mainly for food, and not so much for like shopping. And there's a pepper lunch here. Check out the price. So 139 you get a special combo set with comprised of a drink also. I think it's pretty affordable, 139. It's like less than $6. Usual price 205 and more expensive one is about 200. This one definitely is a Thai restaurant. It's all in Thai words, but the menu have English. So Tom Yam Goong 199. Pineapple fries 152. So it's like more expensive than the food court. They're charging the Singapore food court prices. And this lift, I'm not sure where it goes up, but it's another restaurant, Korean restaurant, Jakem Song. Okay, apparently they call level 3 the BTS level. So actually there's a food court level 4 and level 5. So I'm just going out first. I'm back to like level 3, the BTS level. This is our Singapore's K cards. They give you like prop for free if you take photos using the machines. So apparently there's no dental clinic right here. So I'm going to the center point of Siam Square. If you enjoy this video, like, share, and subscribe so more can find the video. Thanks very much, and I'll see you guys in the next Bangkok adventure. Ja, สวัสดีครับทุกคน บ๊ายบาย